Okay guys, today this was my first knife ever, and I'm gonna be fixing it because as you can see it's in the case, see it's very little shady, and the handle fell off of this one. I had a rope handle on it. So I'm gonna take and I'm gonna grind all the files off, get it down to just straight steel instead of the file, and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got the blade done and all, and I'm gonna take and do the same to the handle and kind of get the sharp edges out of it, and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got it all the files off of it, and I got it flattened on, and I'm gonna take a buffing wheel, clean it all up and polish it and put my bevel in, and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got the knife done on. I made it a little bit thinner now, and I'm gonna cut pieces out of this cow horn for my handle, and I'll get back to y'all when I get these pieces cut out. Okay guys, I got my pieces cut now, and now I'm gonna take and I'm gonna shape them down to my lines and get them flat on the backside, and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got my scales all flat, or not really flat because it's a horn and it's bowed, but I got them shaped all up and somewhat flat. I'll fix that in a minute, and now I'm gonna drill my holes in my tang, and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got my holes drilled and all, and I went ahead and flattened them out a little better. Got them where they're going flat on the tang, and now I'm gonna take and I'm gonna cut my pins off right there where I got marked. I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got my pins cut and all, and now I'm gonna glue it up, and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Stupid pen. Okay guys, I got it all glued up and all in the vise and my pins mushroomed, and I'll get back to y'all in 24 hours when the glue's set. Okay guys, it's been 24 hours and now I'm gonna shape my handles up and all, and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, so as you can see, apparently I didn't cut the horn too straight. The camera would focus. Focus. Okay, as you can see right here, I didn't cut the horn too straight, and it was thinner right there, so what I'm going to do just to fix this is I'm just going to set the handle right there in the epoxy and let that set, and I'll just reshape the epoxy over this so it's all secure and all, and I get back to y'all when I get it all put in epoxy and all. Okay guys, the glue's drying on the handle and all, and I get back to y'all when it's dry. Okay guys, the glue's been drying for a few hours now, and now I'm going to take and shape the handle up, and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got the handle shaped up and all the way I want it. Now I'm going to clean rust off my blade because it's been raining and rusted, and get the epoxy that's on it, and start my edge, and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got the blade all cleaned up, and I got my edge put on it and all, and that's gonna be it for this video. The case will be in another video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Okay guys, I got the blade all cleaned up, and I got my edge put on it and all, and that's gonna be it for this video. The case will be in another video. Hope y'all enjoyed.